In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Gmail or Outlook for seamless email integration. Let's get started by navigating to Monday.com. If you haven't already, open your web browser and type in the URL Monday.com. This is where you'll find the login portal, which is our first step towards integrating your email with Monday.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, look for the login button typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you will be prompted to enter your login details. If you're authenticated through Google, you can make this process even smoother by selecting the Google option. Just click on it and choose your Google account from the list. This will expedite the login process, making it that much more efficient. After successfully logging in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner where your profile icon is displayed. Click on your profile to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find the option labeled Email Settings. Go ahead and click on it because this is where the magic happens. Once you've entered the email settings section, you'll need to navigate to the Account Setup and Privacy tab. This area holds the key to linking your email service with Monday.com. Within this tab, look for the option that says Add Account. This is your gateway to setting up that valuable connection with your email. At this point, you have a choice to make. You can choose between connecting your Gmail account or an Outlook account. Select the one that aligns with your email usage. Once you've made your decision, click on the option and prepare to input your credentials. Next, you will notice a Connect button waiting for your click. Hit this button to initiate the connection process and be ready to provide your email credentials. This step is crucial as it securely links your email account to Monday.com. It's important to mention that you may need to authorize certain permissions to allow Monday.com to access your email account. This is a standard procedure to ensure smooth two-way communication between the platform and your email service. So don't hesitate to grant access if prompted. And there you have it, a seamless integration between Monday.com and your email account, whether it's Gmail or Outlook. This connection will enable you to streamline your workflow and improve communication efficiency within your team. Remember, this process only takes a few minutes, yet the productivity benefits can be substantial. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.